In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my Target cart in 3 steps. If you want to quickly see what you've added to your Target shopping cart, the process is simple and only takes a moment. Whether you're using the Target app on your phone or visiting the Target website on your computer, the overall steps are basically the same. Let's walk through it clearly so you can check your cart, review your items, and make any updates you need. First, open the Target app or go to the official Target website. Before you can view your saved cart, make sure you're signed into your Target account. This is important because your cart is connected to your account, and signing in helps you access the right items, saved preferences, and current shopping activity. If you're already logged in, you can move straight to the next part. If not, just complete the sign-in process and wait for your account homepage to load fully. Once you're signed in, the next thing you need to do is open your cart. Look for the cart icon. On the website, it's usually located in the top right corner of the page. In the mobile app, it's commonly found near the bottom of the screen. Tap or click that cart icon to open it. This will take you directly to your current shopping cart, where all the items you've added should be listed in one place. If your cart appears empty, double check that you're signed into the correct account. Now that your cart is open, take a moment to review your items. You can scroll through the products you've added and confirm that everything looks right. This is a good time to update quantities if you need more or fewer of something, remove items you no longer want, and check whether any discounts or promotions are available. You can also look over pricing and item availability since those can sometimes change. If everything looks good, you can proceed to checkout whenever you're ready. And that's all there is to it. Checking your Target cart is a quick way to stay organized while shopping and make sure your order is exactly how you want it before you buy. If you shop often, it's a good habit to review your cart regularly so you can catch changes in price, stock, or promotions before checking out.